Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do for you a Telfar bag unboxing. I recently purchased some bags from the bag security that happened in April, and I just received my bags and I wanted to show them to you, give you a little bit of information on them, and show you the colors that I got. If you're interested, keep watching. Okay guys, so thank you so much for clicking on my video. As I said in my intro, I will be unboxing some Telfar bags that I purchased. This was from the bag security program that happened in April. If you don't know about Telfar, these bags went completely viral. They were everywhere. I found out about them through my friend, but I guess these were bags that like celebrities had been seen walking out with. Beyonce made these so viral, so popular, and everybody went nuts over them. And when I heard about them, I was like, hey, like those are really cute and I love the colors and it looks like something I'd like. So Telfar is a company that was established in 2005 in NYC. I do believe that it's Black owned, and they have the most beautiful bags. They have like a simplistic approach. Everything's very sleek, very simple. There's not a lot of fluff with the bags. There's not a lot of pockets or trinkets or anything like that. And people, like, these things fly off the shelf, okay? So much so that they created this bag security program where basically they will open it up for 2 or 3 days at a time. You can go online, shop the site in the color and size that you'd like, and then they pretty much have a disclaimer at the beginning of the order. It's like, look, these are made to order. You pick this color. We're going to start working on it right away. Don't call us. Don't ask. Don't follow up for status on the order. Like, they'll be ready when they're ready. We estimate these bags for bag security will ship, you know, from X date to X date. If it's not before the end of that date range, don't call us. Don't be a baby. Wait your turn and just sit there pretty until you get your bags. So I kind of like that because it's one of those like no BS moments. Like, girl, if you want one, wait in line and shut up about it, right? And if you follow them on Instagram, you'll see the vibe. Like, they're pretty much like, whatever, we're hot, and like, wait your turn, girl. Anyway, so during the bag security program that happened in April, it was right around the time that for my sister's birthday, her 40th birthday, and I really wanted to get her one. She's one of those, like, she likes sleek. She likes simple. She likes black. Like, that's her favorite color. And I was like, you know, this is something that I think she would really enjoy. And so I went ahead and picked out one of her gifts for her 40th birthday. And then I got myself something too. So I'm going to show you what I got. Now, the order was actually placed, I believe, right on my sister's birthday. So April 14th. And I just received this box about a couple weeks ago, so it would have been like around the 5th through the 8th of July, which is right around the range they had given. They said it would start shipping about July to October, in that range, for all of the bags that were ordered during the bag security. Now, they do have drops. It seems like weekly now, but the thing with the drops is they only drop one color at a time, and when they make these drops, they're dropping the bags in that color. They have like a cap or a hat, which is really cute. I want to get the gray one like really bad. I really want that hat. And then they'll release these leather belts all in the same color. So you can like follow them on Instagram, sign up for their newsletter, and they'll email you every time a new color is dropping. But the thing with that is you basically have to wait around until the color you want drops. Whereas with the bag security, you get to go in there. Like I said, it's a window of 2 to 3 days where you get to go in there. You get to pick your color, pick your size that you want, and then just wait for them to be custom made for you, essentially. I have purchased during one of these drops right around Mother's Day. They did release this gray color here. This is a size medium, and it was like, to me, the perfect size for a laptop bag. But during that drop, I could only buy this color specifically. And so that's what I got, just to give you an indication. Like, I have my laptop, I have some notebooks in there. I don't know if you could see, but I also purchased like this little insert here that I got on Amazon, but it fits this bag perfectly, just like the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. And it just kind of provides like some dividers in there for me, so I don't have shit just like floating around everywhere. Love, love, love my bag. during the regular drops in colors, like shipping is so fast, you order it and it's one of those situations. I mean, I'm a beauty channel, so you'll know, like when there's a really, really hot new release, like you literally have to be on the website exactly at the time that they said and just be like refreshing, refreshing, refreshing. And that's how you're going to get your bags because they typically sell out extremely quick. I know this gray color, it didn't sell out right away, but I think it within like 15, less than 20 minutes, it was completely gone. But I was on there like immediately right at the time of launch. So that's kind of like the situation. With the bag security program, you have a little bit of time. But when the color drops, you have to be on that website. So this is how it came. And I love how they package everything. It's always really well done. And I wish I would have kept my sister's bag so that you could see it. But I mean, it's black in the small size, and I have a small one to show you. So we'll just go from there. This is how they come, so they're very well protected. Now, I got a small and another medium. I wanted to have two medium-sized bags that would fit my laptop, so I could just kind of alternate through seasons or what I'm wearing for the day and whatnot. My friend does have a large one, and she showed me what the large one looks like. I mean, it is huge, you guys. Like, people like them, like, for like travel and stuff, like your carry-on bag or whatever. It's so big. Like, I'm not that tall, I'm 5'4", but it will completely overpower you. And I mean, just to give you an indication, this is the medium. I'll stand up in a second to show you like how they hang, but yeah. So this is the first one that I got. This is a small, and I got this one in the shade Sage. Small Sage shopping bag. That's what they call them, shopping bags. And not only does it come in plastic, but then you get like this little dust bag with the logo. It's like a kind of canvasy feeling. Oh my God, it's so pretty. And here is my sage color. I'm gonna take off this protective tape here. Oh, it's just so beautiful, you guys. Look at that color. I am a lover of green in general. And then it comes with like a little Velcro wrap around here so that you can, you know, for storage later. But I'm a lover of green, but when I saw this, I'm like, it's soft enough to where I could wear it with a lot of different outfits and it would look good. Now, it is not very big. This is my hand and this is the little bag. It's like one of those tiny little luxury bags that you see sometimes, you know, with other luxury bag makers. The strap is pretty long, so it's going to be one of those that you can use as crossbody if you'd like. This is what it looks like on the inside there. It's got the logo. Does it have a little zipper? No, no zipper. That's what it looks like there. It's like a hunter green lining. Okay, so this is up close again. I want to show comparison to my phone. So that's I have the 13 Pro Max. That's how tall it is. So it does fit in the bag, but you have to kind of stretch it out a little bit. And there's quite a bit of room in there. Maybe a small wallet. You know, we can throw in like my Dior powder. I could probably do a lip gloss and some lipsticks. Let me go get my wallet and see if that wallet would fit here. Okay, so I took the lip gloss and the powder out. I just have my phone in there. The wallet that I'm currently using right now is this Coach wallet. It looks like the same exact size. So let me put it in here with my phone to see if it'll fit. And yes, it fits perfectly. We have a wallet and a phone in here. I probably could still get away with putting in like a small little gloss. Maybe my powder. I actually have room for one more. So yeah, so now I have my wallet, I have my powder, I have a gloss and a little matte lipstick, my phone. So they're actually quite roomy. Okay, I didn't expect it to be that roomy, but they stretch out pretty nicely. And as you can see, I'm not like overly filling it. There's still a little bit of room there. So super, super cute. I'm gonna use this today. I'm so excited. One thing I forgot to say, this small one here retails for $150. Okay, the next one that I have to show you is, like I said, another medium one. This, I believe, I'm so excited for this one. This is the medium chocolate shopping bag. So again, same, you get the dust bag with the logo there, and oh my God, she is a beaut. Woo! For the fall, I mean, I'm going to love, love, love this one. Look at this, guys. Look at how rich. That is some Hershey's chocolate right there. It is so beautiful. Oh my God. Wow. So pretty. Ugh. This was the color I wanted. The gray one, I actually bought it on a whim, but this was the one that I was like dying for, and I'm even more impressed in person. This is beautiful. Now, I'm not going to extend this. Well, maybe I will, but I'll show you what my gray one looks like, and then I might extend this one just so that you can kind of get a sense of how it would look with like an outfit. Okay, so this is the gray one. I normally just walk into the office like this with it. If I have a lot of stuff in my hands, I'll actually do this and it's just fine. Even when it's completely full, it looks just fine. So I love that. And this is what the chocolate would look like. It is so pretty. Oh my God, I love it so much. Okay, so about this medium size, the small one retails for $150, the medium one for $202, and then the large jumbo one for $257. So depending on your needs, again, I only have the small and the medium to show you how it would look against my body. So again, I'm 5'4", so I'm not very tall, but this medium one is really nice, like comparable to the Louis Vuitton Never Full size, but just a tiny bit smaller. But it's such a good size for laptop, for work stuff, like all of that. I will leave a link down below to their Instagram, and I will also leave a link down below to the little purse insert that I bought on Amazon. I think it was like 12 or 13 bucks, and I got a gray one. I think I'll just like pop it in from one bag to another for the medium. And I think that should work just fine. But anyway, what did you think? Have you heard of Telfar before? Are you as obsessed as I am? I mean, it's just so simple, so chic, and like I've walked, into a store with my little Telfar or whatever, and you can see the girls are like, oh, hey, like that's a nice purse. Another thing that I wanted to say is like, especially with this light gray color, I did get like a blue pen mark and it wiped away really nicely with just like a facial wipe. So very easy to clean. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you've heard of Telfar before, and make sure and like the video, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you next time. Bye.